welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. Today we are going to see beautiful linen collections, but a very budget friendly collections. It's going to be plain linens and few floral patterns, all below 1200 ranges. That's the maximum. A lovely collection, perfect office wear, beautiful saris. Before seeing the saris, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the sari, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 51299. I repeat, 93848 51299. And regarding about the sari material, it's all cotton linen, so it's very soft and lightweight and very easy to maintain and easy to carry saris. Beautiful prints we have, and we have some plain saris also. Let's start seeing the saris now. It's a beautiful cotton linen sari with a very pretty silver sari borders on both the sides of the sari, and the sari is completely plain. It's a perfect office wear sari, beautiful one. This is the pallu of the sari. We have a running blouse for this sari, but again we have one more blouse in this, and the price of the sari is 650. We have lovely color combinations in the same pattern. I'm going to show you all the colors in this. We have around 12 colors in this. A very beautiful sari. This is a bluish gray, a very pretty and an elegant color, which has been paired up with a beautiful contrast blouse, and the price of this is 650. You can look at the pallu also. This is the pallu, and both the sides we have a silver border. Very pretty sari. Next comes is a lovely green. This is the sari. Pretty sari. These are all will look classy when you wear for office. Very classy colors. A beautiful green, which is being paired up with a lovely contrast blouse, a dark green with the silver work. This is the beautiful sari. You can take a screenshot when I am showing like this. A very pretty lime green. Next comes a lovely purple. What a shade. See, very pretty these saris are. This is the sari, and paired up with a beautiful contrast blouse, a dark purple, and that also you have a silver work. Very pretty sari this is. And the pallu of the sari is the same. It's a line pallu in silver color, both the sides silver zari. The next comes a very pretty peach, a dark peach actually. I'll show you. A dark peach color, this one. Very pretty color, lovely color. And for this we have a nice blouse in peach with silver lining. The sari also has blouse, a running blouse, but we have one more blouse for this sari. Next comes a lovely blue, very pretty blue, quite a sea blue, a dark sea blue, beautiful one, which is being paired up with a darker indigo cotton blouse with silver work. Very pretty combination. And the pallu of the sari is this, a line pallu. The next comes a very lovely yellow, a happy yellow. Nice combination. These saris look classy when you wear, so pretty. And we have paired up with a contrast maroon blouse. All are 650. All these saris are 650. The next comes a nice purple, a different shade, a mauve shade actually than a purple, paired up with a darker mauve blouse. These combinations will look classy, and when you pair up with these kind of a contrast blouse, they just enlighten the sari. A very beautiful ones. The next is a lovely sea green. Nice shade, pretty shade, lovely color, paired up with a darker shade of blouse. Lovely blouse, and all these blouses again have a silver design in it, which makes the look sari very classy and lovely. The next is a light green, a very pista green, a light pista green, beautiful combination, paired up with a contrast blouse, a darker green blouse, beautiful color combinations, a lovely one. The pallu is a lime pallu, pretty ones. The next is a lovely grey, beautiful grey, classy colors, will look royal, and it's just a beautiful thing to take for a 650. For this pricing, the saree is just amazing. You can just see this. It's paired up with a darker grey blouse, a lovely blouse, and the saree is very pretty. This is a pink shade, a peachish pink actually, paired up with a lovely maroon blouse in silver lining, a beautiful color combinations, lovely sarees. Yeah, these are the colors in this. It's a lovely kalamkari linen saree. The material of the saree is a cotton linen, beautiful lovely material for the summer and a perfect office wear. No need to starch, nothing, and such a lovely flowy material. Beautiful saree this is. Both the sides we have a silver zari, and throughout the body it's a beautiful kalamkari design, a lovely design. And the pallu of the saree is this, and a nice lovely contrast green blouse. And the price of the saree, price evlo?
1210.
And the price of the saree is 1210. This is a beautiful kalamkari pattern again, a very nice green with yellow combination. Both the sides we have silver zari, and it's a cotton linen, so the material of the saree is very flowy and beautiful. Throughout the saree we have a nice kalamkari pattern, and the pallu of the saree is this beautiful pallu, a simple pallu, a neat one. And we have a beautiful contrast blouse in mustard, and the price of the saree is 1210. We have two more lovely colors in this. I'll show you that also. The next is a nice combination, a lovely beige, a lighter brown shade with a peach combination, beautiful shade. A beautiful shade. And the pallu of the saree is this, and a contrast pink blouse, and the price of the saree is 1210. And we have one more beautiful combination in this. This is a beautiful blue with a sapphire green border, a very pretty combination, a lovely combination, and a very nice saree, very beautiful design. This is the pallu of the saree, a line pallu, and the blouse is in contrast green, beautiful color combinations, a lovely saree. And the price of the saree is 1210. We have another design in this, a very lovely shades, very earthly colors, very pastel, beautiful shades. A floral pattern this is, a light lime green with a floral pattern in grey and green combinations. Both the sides are lovely silver zari, and the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse is a plain green blouse, and this is also priced at the same 1210. Now comes a beautiful peach color, light peach color. This is the saree, a beautiful saree, and the pallu is this, a line pallu, and the blouse is again peach color. The next comes lovely shade again. Wow, what a combination. This is the beautiful light yellow with pink color combination, Nice shade, lovely shade. The pallu is this line pallu, and the blouse is in light yellow color. Very pretty shade. I show you the body. Beautiful sari this is. The next comes a very classy color, very rich color. Light blue, very light blue, in that indigo color border. Beautiful one. And the pallu of the sari is this, and the blouse is in again light blue color. The body is this, a beautiful design, a lovely design, a nice floral pattern with silver zaris on both the sides, and the price of the sari is 1210. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you would have liked this lovely linen office wear collections. Beautiful saris, such a budget friendly saris. Lovely color combinations. I'm sure you would have liked all the plain colors. Like every day you can just wear with new color combinations. Beautiful saris. To purchase the sari, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Without fail, please do subscribe to our channel to get regular notification. Thanks for supporting us. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.